Hi guys, happy Tuesday! Today we're going to be working with some money word problems, so you're going to need coins for this activity. Make sure that you have your coins with you. Repeat after me. I can solve money word problems. Nice. You're going to open up this document right here that says 414 Tuesday Money Word Problems. You can watch the videos before you open this up if you still need help identifying coins with the identifying coin video, or counting by 5s, 10s, or 25s, and you can watch that video if you need practice with that. We're going to get started. You can put your name right here where it says name. Everybody has their very own PowerPoint presentation, so this is just for you. So when you open this up, anything that you write on here, Ms. McIntyre or your teacher is going to see and see that this is your work. So we're going to work on question A together, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. For question A, I have the question right here, and then I have it in Spanish right here in case that your family needs it. So let's read question A together. Matt has 4 pennies, 2 nickels, and 3 dimes. How much money does Matt have in all? The first thing I need to do is find these coins. Remember, you should have coins for this activity. So I've got all the coins that Matt has right here. So I've got my dimes. I know that these are dimes because they're the smallest ones and they have ridges. I've got my nickels. I know these are nickels because they say 5 cents on the back and they have Thomas Jefferson on the front. I know that these are pennies because they're small and copper brown and worth 1 cent. So I'm going to put them in piles of like coins. So I've got my dimes together, my nickels together, and my pennies together. And I'm going to go ahead and arrange them so I'm counting the biggest one first and the smallest value last. So let's count together. First by 10s, then 5s, then 1s. Count by 10s. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Now we're by 1s. 41. 42, 43, 44 cents. Now that I have 44 cents, I'm going to go ahead and open up my PowerPoint presentation and write that in there. Alright, so I've got my PowerPoint presentation and it says Matt has, I don't see the cent sign anywhere on my computer, so I'm going to write right here what I found out, which was that Matt has 44 cents, just like that. And that's all. You're going to do the whole presentation and then turn it into your teacher. Have a good day.